Hi, my lovely Caprice. This is your reading, love and relationship reading for the month of September and starting October. Shuffling your cards. This is Sri Vidya. Let's begin your reading. Final time shuffling for Capricorn for the month of September, starting October. What are they facing in their love and relationship life? Let's see. Okay, cards are shuffled and ready. Let me cut the deck. And here begins your reading. Bottom of the deck, Seven of Swords. Okay, you're dealing with a cheater, deceiver, or someone deceptive energies around you. Now let's see your current self for Caprice, what they're going through. Okay, you have a choice to make as of now. That I'm seeing is that you have a choice to make in your love life. Crossing card is Seven of Pentacles. This is something like the time has come for you to reap the reward of the work done by you. You must be an animal lover as well. You love watching skies. That's what I'm feeling. Very romantic and very nourishing. And fantasizing can also come. That's your energy. That's what I'm getting. The foundation energy, please, for my Caprice. Three of Wands, Two of Wands. Mostly wand energy is here. This is Aries, Leo, Sag energy, as well as you could be dealing with Aries, Leo, Sag, and you are waiting. You're waiting because you have put so many efforts in it, and now you're like the end has come for you waiting. This is like either you'll be forced to move in some other direction, or the person you are waiting will show up, because this is the crucial time for you. The decision is supposed to be made as of now. That's what I am saying. Past energy. What happened in the past? What happened in the past? My Caprice, what happened in the past? Angels, devilish. Oh my God. You were dealing with a devil kind of energy. Again, this is your energy as well. You could be in some addiction, some relationship that only had passion, but you wanted in the past to get rid of it. Let me get another card, one more card, so I can. Okay. And you were trying desperately to block this energy to come to you. You could be dealing with someone who was more than emotion. He had passion for you. He could be very much addicted toward you. You were like a lucky charm, as well as a person, a very a very enticing person, a very person to whom he is very much attracted, he or she, whomsoever it is. You have the beauty, the personality that drives him crazy, and somehow he was not the right person for you, that in the past you came to know, and you just wanted to block him, but you couldn't do that. You want to get away from him, but you couldn't do that. 2-2, you were looking for a stability. You are looking for a partnership. Okay. Crowning energy. Will this end? Will this waiting end? Crowning energy. Give me a crowning energy, please. One card for crowning and one card for future energy. So I've got two cards for crowning. Okay, great. The Lovers reversed. This is Gemini energy, and this shows that now the love is over between you and that person, and you are totally concentrating on yourself. That's what I'm getting. One more card, the Emperor. Now this could be your father figure also, who is showing you what that you were like being deceived, or you were not in a right hand, and he was very much caring about you. Your family could have protected you somehow. That's what I am getting. Future card. future card. The Emperor and the Empress. Now this could also mean that the person you are waiting for has come, is just about to come in the month of October. He is going to approach you. This is a new person that I am getting. You are being an Empress, the person who is so much abundant and giving. You are all the time giving. You have the personality, you have a very seducing kind of personality as well. Don't take it otherwise, it's just that your personality is awesome, and you don't much care about your personality. It's like, okay, it's there, it's okay, but what I care about is that emotions, and I care about the responsibility that one should take, and your responsible person is here. In the coming month, you will be definitely going to meet someone who could be Aries, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn as well. Specifically Aries. Some Aries is going to come and offer you a commitment. That could also be a scenario. This is a general reading, so my dear friends, take as it resonates with you. Give me one card for current self for my Capricorns. Judgment. Okay. Now, Judgment is, it's a fire energy. So Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and since it is in your current self, this means that you are now listening to your heart desire. Some of you could have got off from the devilish energy that you were stuck in the past, and your companions or your family is also here for you, your friends are also here for you, and you are asking for their help, and they are responding back as well as angels are also guiding you. And a completion card is there. So this is like thing has now finished. As of now, your past is not lurking behind. That's what I am getting. Now you are listening to yourself, what you should do. You are listening to your parents and those who care for you. Your foundation card, please clarify 3 of Wands. Please clarify 3 of Wands. Whom are you waiting for? Okay. This is 4 of Cups and 3 of Swords. So 3, 4. Definitely you are progressing, that's for sure. You are progressing. But you are currently, whatever, it could be someone, specifically that I am getting is that someone is about to get married. You are like, your parents are searching for your person for you, a bride, a groom for you, and they are offering you they are showing you so many pictures of the various options, and you are not taking it because you're just waiting for someone who actually you love dearly. Maybe you have met that person, maybe he's in your dreams. Whatever there is, you are a very dreamer kind of person also. You want stability, and you don't want petty things, small things. No, you want a major something that's big. You want aces, you want a stability, you want a major rise in your love life, in your family life, because you are that kind of a person who gives a lot. You are an Empress. See, you are here, you are an Empress. You are queen of queens. You're not a person who can go with anyone. No, you want major, Emperor is also here, so you definitely is going to meet him. It's a very beautiful card that I have got for you, my dear friends. I'm really happy to see this Empress and Emperor both here. Very good. Now let me get past. What happened in the past? One card, please. Give me one card. What happened in the past? What happened in the past? Why the devilish energy is here? You were blocking someone. That person could be a Pisces. Somehow I am feeling to get one more card for you. What happened in the past? Someone deceptive was definitely there. That person was moody, yes, and he was not offering you the cup of love that you wanted. He could be playing around. He was not he was hiding something from you. He could be in a third party relationship and you have come to know about this, but definitely he was very much addicted towards you, that's for sure. And you were addicted towards him as well. You could have loved him a lot. And then afterward, when you got to know about the situation that he has nothing to offer you, because he could be in other relationship, he could have married, so you blocked him, you tried to block him, but something happened that you just couldn't let him go, or he could have approached you. But as of now, currently I am seeing is that now you are concentrating on yourself, on your future, on your desirable life that you really want, and you really you really actually, what is that word, you're fit for that, you deserve. I was saying desire, but it is you deserve, you desire as well as you deserve the kind of life, the kind of emperor. Okay, now crowning card, please. Crowning, please clarify crowning cards. Why crowning card is here? Definitely you are now taking care of yourself, you are loving yourself. Your self-worth must have been hampered because of the past relationship, but now you are taking care of it. Death. Clearly the situation with the past has died down for you, at least. This is again a Capricorn energy. You are definitely here, and you are clearly telling me that this is over from you. The past is over from you. I'll be taking the card for that past person as well, what he really thinks of you as of now. Okay, the future card, please. Show me the future card, my dear angels. Show me future card, please. What will happen in future? Communication, lot of communication. One more card, please. One more card. What will happen in future to my Capris, to the Empress, who is so much giving, nurturing, caring? One card, please. Give me one card. Okay, we have got the card, and the bottom of the deck, see, beautiful card is here. 10 of Cups. Whatever you're wanting, you will be getting that. A happy family, a content family, and a beautiful love. It could be your family as well, the family you are currently in. The past person is somehow lingering in your energy. Okay. In the future, what I am seeing is that your past could be approaching you, and now he is approaching you with a, to get married. He is going to communicate you for sure. You are going to have some communication. And although you are telling me here that this has ended, but in the past, in the future, you still care for that person. I don't know why you really care for him. Or he could be coming to tell you that whatever commitment he was in, that is off. Okay, that is off. Now let me get the cards for your partner, the ex-partner, with whom you are like, no, this is over from me. But let me get some cards for him as well. What he actually is going through. What is the ex-partner of Capri's arm thinking, feeling, going through, or current energy, please. Give me one card. Give me one card. Their current energy. They are being like very rude, very selfish, very criticizing. They are being very possessive as well. And they could be out of some employment. They could be unemployed. As of now, currently, they could be unemployed, and they are in a very nitty-pricky kind of energy, like all the time picking up on others, doing nothing but bossing around, and just picking the faults of others, of their family members. That could be a scenario. Please show me about their partner, ex-partner of Caprice, what do they are going through, the ex-partner, what the ex-partners of Caprice are going through as of now. I'm taking 2 cards now. I'll be taking only 1 card. Please give me 1 card. What they are going through. They are like, you have to take it. So now I have no other option but to take whatever 1 or 2 cards come. Okay. Give me cards for ex-partners of Caprice. What they are going through. Okay. They are very much afraid of some society embarrassment. They must be somehow I am getting the ex that you were dealing with in the past. He must be married, and now his marriage life is not doing so well. In fact, that is crumbling down, and he is not happy with it. There could be divorce cases as well that I am getting, and he is very much embarrassed for it, and that's why here he is not in a very jovial mood. This is a failure kind of energy that I am getting. 1 more card please. What they are going through. Are they really going through divorce or anything that... Yes, the devil also here is reverse, definitely. And bottom of the deck is 5 of Pentacles. So definitely their partner, if they are married, they have been married to someone karmic, and now their foundation is crumbling down. That's what I am getting. And after you moved away from his life situation and he entered into a relationship with someone else, the home environment in which he must have done this with a selfish motive as well as a family pressure that I am getting. And the result is that he ditched you for some selfish motive as well, what I am seeing over here. So now karma is on play, and he is getting what he actually deserves. One more card please. One more card for the partners of Caprice, what they are going through. One more card please for partners of Caprice, what they are going through. Ex-partners I should say. Okay, Hermit. Now this Hermit is Virgo energy, and this person, your ex-partner, is now analyzing the situation from a different perspective. He has become a loner. He is not getting any communication from you, as well as his personal life is crumbling. So he is learning a major lesson. You have taught him. The contract between you and this person was that you both will teach each other something. And his selfish nature has now, he is realizing that he was being very selfish. He was not offering you what you deserve. You were actually giving him a lot, but he was just taking and playing around and being deceptive. He was doing something around your back and you didn't know. You even now also I feel that you care for that person. Although you could reject him. You have the death energy is always is here, so this is ended for you. But he is also learning so many things. You need to learn. He is not ready for you as yet. That's what I am feeling. Let him learn the lesson. In the future, please tell me what they are going to take action towards my Caprice in future. You were his, now he realizes that you were his wish come true. You were his wish fulfillment. And the moment he lost you, he lost everything in his life. You were teaching him also. You were a great mentor to him as well. In a nice way, that you were supporting him all the time. But he neglected it. He overlooked it. And now he is feeling the loss. he could be in some kind of addiction. That I'm very much clearly getting that he could be in some kind of addiction. The addiction could be of any liquor, or any something bad. Please give me a card how they will approach me. They are restless. They are definitely restless. They don't know what to do. They see that the passion from you has died down, and that's they are upset about. Please tell me, my dear angels, please tell me how the ex-partner will approach Caprice, and will they approach Caprice in future? Are they going to approach Caprice in future? Okay. Now it's very much clear from the cards that their family life has crumbled down, and you were his dream come true. See, here you are waiting for someone to come in your life, and here this person, you were the person he was waiting for, and he overlooked it, and now he's realizing that he lost everything by losing you. You were his dream come true. You were the ship he was waiting for, and now he has nothing to offer you. No, earlier also he didn't want, somehow I don't know, he was just taking benefit from you, and he was not offering you anything. But now he genuinely doesn't have anything to offer you or offer himself. He is actually learning his lessons. Okay, now what the advice is there for you, my dear Caprice? What is the advice for you? Please give me an advice for my Caprice, what they should do. One more card, please. What they should do. Please clarify the King of Cups. Please clarify King of Cups is Libra, Scorpio energy. One more card to clarify King of Cups, please. Okay. Now see, there are two kings here. King of Cups, King of Wands. King of Wands is Cancer, Leo energy. So your ex could be a Cancer or a Leo, and he is still in your energy. You are not paying any attention to him, but you are waiting for your king of, a king who genuinely loves you, who know what love means. He is not only very much passionate. He knows what a relationship is, the meaning of the relationship, and he could be Pisces as well. I'm feeling he could be a Pisces as well. So you're waiting for him to come, and definitely he is going to come. Also, if some of you knows this person, who the other person who are you waiting for, not your ex, he is watching over you, and he is seeing whether are you over this ex energy. Once you are over this ex energy, he is going to approach you, and you are waiting for him to come, and he is actually watching over you. The other person is also watching. He is not approaching you, but he is definitely watching over you. And advice again is to be very much hopeful. Star card is here at the bottom of the deck. This is Aquarius energy as well. You are healing, and you are going to rise above all these tensions. You're definitely going to meet your partner. The only advice, one more thing that I am getting is that don't be superfluous, or don't show what you actually don't feel. Sometimes we start showing off that we are what we are not. Like, even if you are not happy, we show a lot that we are happy. Don't do that. Concentrate over yourself, heal yourself. Definitely others will see you happy and glowing as usual, as the way you are. So my dear Caprice, this was your reading. Please let me know if you resonated with it. Thank you. Bye.